Welcome back to Table for One. I am starving and I've only got half an hour, so let's make something super simple. These are my Laksa cups. Let's cook.
And I make the recipes of the internet, so you don't have to. Today we're making Laksa cups. Let's cook.
Sad carrots. They're bruised and ugly on the outside, but they're beautiful on the inside. Same.
Sad carrots. They're obese, short, have a rare disease, broke. Same.
I would say dice it, but I'm really lazy today.
I'm substituting with the red onion and poor knife skills. As always, I'm tripling the recipe, rocking 2 pans.
I've got some Laksa paste I've never used before from the supermarket. Making your own paste is better.
I always make my own paste. Call me Nara Smith.
Pork mince, French shallots, green onions, salt.
Mince, red onion, green onion, white salt.
I've got some peanuts that I've just toasted and salted because we need texture.
It's not about the size of your pestle.
Some leftover gem lettuce here, so they'll be perfect little cups.
Perfect little cups.
Got a cucumber that's very thick.
I've got a cucumber that does the job. Ouch! And wifey bought me this thing from Kmart. I'm actually excited to see if it works. It works!
Spring onion and coriander. I know coriander, blah, 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 blah. It's your issue, not mine.
Don't think I've got the technique quite right, but I think it's going to taste fine.
Fried shallots, because I love them. You don't have to put these on.
Can't introduce me to fried shallots. I love them.
I forgot a squeeze of lime.
Squeeze of lime, and there's the final product. So good. Surprisingly easy, and also nice to eat all these greens and fresh produce. Makes me feel like I'm skinny. Look at me, skinny. And you guys are not going to believe this, but Khanh actually started following me, and he says we should make his bang bang chicken next. So follow me, and that's what we're going to make next. Okay, love you. Bye.